This is a tortilla wrap we're going to be using. You can get it in superstores. So this is actually a wheat flour wrap. Comes in different pieces, and this is what we are going to be using for this yummy breakfast. Sorry guys, I didn't record early enough, so this is just me adding in my chopped vegetables. I have right here 2 raw eggs that I already broke into this bowl. So I added chopped onions, green pepper, habanero pepper, and tomato. So I added a seasoning cube, and then I'm just going to add like half teaspoon of salt to my mixture. Okay. Now right here you can add any spice of your choice. So I didn't do much. Whatever pleases you, just sprinkle a little, and that is it. So here I had to whisk and whisk and whisk and whisk and whisk. So if you like this my whisk, my egg whisk, you can let me know. It's actually a silicone set. It came in a set. So if you like it and you want to know where I got it, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, it's actually very beautiful. So you get your pan over the fire. Please make sure it's low heat. Okay, drizzle little vegetable oil on your pan. Shake it very well so that everywhere is well greased. Now I just pour in my mixture here. You can see that the egg is not sizzling. It just because the heat is very low. It's very low. We don't want it to over fry. We're going to be adding the tortilla wrap on top of it. So you can see how moist the egg is, right? Now is the perfect time to add your tortilla wrap so that it can seal, with it. So you can see I'm just going around the edges to make sure it's not sticking. By the way, this is a non-stick pan, so yeah. So your egg will fry a little, then you're going to toss it over. We're going to flip it upside down. So we're flipping. You can see there's the egg. The egg is going to be in between your tortilla wrap. So right here, I'm grating in my cheese. Be very generous with it because it's going to make it, really creamy inside. By the time the cheese melts, oh my goodness, it is it's so nice. It's so nice. This is like I just want you guys to go get this recipe done immediately after you watch this video. Okay, now you just fold it into two, and you can just heat it up for like 1 more minute on both sides so that the cheese can melt very, very well. And guys, we are done. This recipe is so fast. If you're a busy 9 to 5 worker, this is a very healthy recipe to just grab on the go. So please, I would like you guys to try it as soon as possible and let me know, so that you come back and let me know how it was. Your children will love it. Husband, wives, friends, colleagues, everybody loves this recipe. Everybody loves this recipe. And we are done. This is it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. Thank you for your love. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is a very filling recipe. So make sure you try this. Thank you guys. I appreciate. Thanks for your support. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, okay? Thank you once again. Bye.